Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy app not working on your iPhone. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by an outdated app, poor internet connection or a temporary server problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi to mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Force close the app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Find the ESPN Fantasy app and swipe it up to close it completely. Step 3. Update the app. First open the app store, then search for app, tap on it and check for an update, then update if available. Outdated versions often stop working properly. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. If it's still not working, restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus power button, then slide to power off, then back on again. This clears temporary bugs and background issues. Step 5. Check ESPN servers. If the app still won't load, ESPN servers may be down. In that case, you will need to wait until the issue is fixed. And that's it. One of those steps should get the ESPN Fantasy app working again on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.